in the next 10 to 15 years, Ghana and Tia boy the conference massima me can ye any prophecy. Ghana ya should be pa a bear din so be share bema and our bar or 30 years to 35 years on yet diabetic. Na only pressure, high blood pressure and common media. And I say cholesterol kompo eni ni mo jam. And as any pako we oni akoma yeye different cardiovascular problem. Na sa asthma me can now boils down to one thing. Your friend childhood obesity. It may sound very small, but I need a buy near guso na nkora nketo o maye tokom. A problem kese pa ye buy near guso because ene so okọ private schools na papa mo bi na o de yakokan nkora no na hu nkora dodo a omunya nya kese omunya nya obese obede hu se oba ye obese na me kire nkora BMI no body mass index no me kire o video mu na yen nyina yasua de afi ya boye ho ban na high blood pressure timi ma obi nya kidney. The government and men providing yamana and so be as well. No problem ni yekese. How can we solve it from the base so that it can get to the level where we can blame the government? Yabo na natural dey like video na share mobi na yensia dey. Me patcho dey man na nkora obesity tokom yekese ne say ene enuane a eye junk no eben ye too much. Akora petofin osu na ma me we drink me more drink bi adi na dey tofin ache ne nanum okosko ya mane ne spark nkwa no oye fufu aye mama dia e bo mpese mama dia mama me I'll eat rice then I'll cook rice because rice is available in the house. There's no regulation akwa ni be fridge drinks gum from top to down na sa ade no na be my problem unlike tete no na sa ane manema no unya bi di na availability ni ho tete no so na niam te say game no na sedentary lifestyle no o te fa akosa nkwa no na omo hwe screen so omo nkwa abontin kodi agwo like you used to. The near junk food, air cost high calorie food, air cost no, and physical activities what drop you on cranum. Now because of that, you know, name cranum be obese. Now a major problem. We don't pay attention to it. Now ne, eba ma yare adults pa. Me pato yen rectify adiwe sooner than it destroys lives in this country. Kwan be na be for parents must set as role models. Emma. Pato ne papa phone be obese o. Genetically you can pass it on to your baby. Enti na ye boy ka wadi die ho asema na menim say ye dwen ye nua nkuma no ho. Enti hwe wo life yi die si fridge ma wonum na akwa no ohwe. But akwa no ba wo na mo ye the first line of we are all steady mo. Enti o lifestyle so that we live your life na akwa no all steady. Nema wo di go fridge no health implications are ewo ho a wo di go fridge no. Check aduane a wo di sha akwa no bag ni school mo aduane a wo be mo for ni di ache no ho aduane ko na akwa no be du fi a set time for akwa no ontimi exercise and asa so mo di awie no say ball bi o create that small environment that the baby will move from the house and start training na emmo nkwa no ba eye ni say ya diabetes pressure fatty liver high cholesterol sa na ema we nyina so bete na aboa ma kese ye na tokontokon won nkwa no ho abafom enei obi ye kese ne ba obi de why come up o now I say yes find the difference. It's unfortunate na hano kese ye so because I say o hwe oba yi no nti na ye nsua BMI no na the calculation is a bit complicated especially with enkora no nti we panyini obetima use calculation ya mba be kire we wan kasa o use won ho but enkora na de mema mo exception kakra bi a obehwe 1 or 2 bi a just stay bi na atimi aboa ana betima hu pediatrician some from sense wa omo ye in charge of enkora no na wahwe na omo aboa akora no pacho damela heba for na aboa media edition bro te malaria typhoid umfi ni bro 16 years na me pacho what test positive nko ade a ko pharmacy ni herbal store bia na kope odamela na sha ase na nonom na emwa me pacho legacy life choice or the mushroom on person or the chemical bia mushroom extract una mre body pains me pacho wa adwin mo ekusukusu na aye odin frɛ numbers no na ono so onfa bi emrɛw ɛna ye wi a royal foam so na ye dan na ho ye ne ye ma no ye dan na ho akra no ma ehia ne mattress ma me papa ye nan na ho based on the age na mo ye chika se ho ban na mo ye nkwa ho ban but BMI ye bɔ ne tofa ye frɛ no body mass index na ne boa me hu umuduru se na otenten fa ana se yare bi an chede ni ma obetime hu akra bi na wa toftof na mom na onye obese obetime hu obi so onche da nye toftof so na oye obese na calculation ni is simple you bet take akra ni weight you be manage na skills na you hu ni weight normally in kg kilogram nti akra no weight in kilogram no na ya measure ni height normally ni height no in meters nti eno an say you multiply height ni by 2 nti formula ni is simple BMI no the weight divided by square of the height nti the height na o measure in meters no fa multiply by 2 nti bia o measure oba no na wo bi a 1.3 meters a 1.3 times 2 figure na be nya no divide ma akwane ni weight so divide ma ni weight a na se eburo 30 me we ni beto ho ammo because your bees one phase 1 your phase 2 your phase 3 na you serious nti me de to ho abehu chart ba bi akwane ofole we ye mpanfo bi ma na maye no nkwane de normally ya na omo age very important akwa wo 2 years akwa wo 2 years 6 months specifically en case just 2 years age ni very important WHO no e wo de wo hu de ye nkwane de nti nkwane de na ye ni percentiles nti wonya wo ba na age no ukọ omo chart no so a utimi de trace ya na wakohu se oba no ofall in first percentile za percentile na ofall no once you are so your bees are based on your calculation we will be hu. I think this is a bit complicated for my mama go school but we to mama oba bi aboa na why idea American na dey simple kakra na me de media na ye bo adikun fra na ba Ghana ha me ba medical scientist and I'm a self taught trichologist nti wa auto hair good but pressure meter no ebi aba ebi wo na mo amhu nkro mo no so ade no so ebi wo but just car away e wo ho na me ho afi AKM me nua ba opam ne me na CCM sei ono so e wo ho a oguso a odi ne djuma na me hire obi ana omwam